Hey there! If you want to keep up with the ever-evolving language of Gen Z, you've come to the right place. Gen Z, born between 1997 and 2012, has not only revolutionized digital literacy, environmental advocacy, and modern work practices, but also developed a unique slang. Here are 30 top Gen Z slang phrases, what they mean, and how to use them.
No cap means no lie or for real. Example, that party was the best, no cap.
Cheugy describes something uncool or out of style. Example, that outfit is so cheugy.
Drip refers to a stylish look. Example, check out his drip, he's killing it.
Hits different means something has a marked effect. For instance, you might say, this new song hits different.
Main character is when you're the star of the show, like, she's got that main character energy.
Snatched means fierce or on point, especially in appearance. You could say her outfit is snatched.
Bet, a term of affirmation. For example, you want to go out tonight? Bet.
Skirt, an interjection mimicking screeching tires. For example, you got tea? Skirt, spill it.
Understood the assignment, nailed it. For example, his presentation was perfect, he understood the assignment.
Okay, boomer, it's a clap back to an out-of-touch comment. For example, okay, boomer, whatever you say.
Say less, it means you understand or agree. For example, we're going to the beach. Say less.
Slaps. It describes something excellent or amazing. For example, this song slaps.
Low-key. It means something subtle or private. For example, I'm low-key obsessed with this show.
Bussin', it means really good, like, this food is bussin'.
Vibing. It means relaxing and enjoying the moment. For example, just vibing to some good music.
Riz. It's short for charisma. For example, you might hear someone say, he's got riz.
Yeet. This word expresses excitement or force, like I yeeted that paper across the room.
Moots. These are the people you follow on social media. For instance, chatting with my moots online.
Ick. It describes a mild disgust. For example, that's ick, let's avoid it.
Sus. It's short for suspicious, like, that new guy seems sus.
Beige flag. This refers to a boring character trait. For instance, his love for puzzles is such a beige flag.
Mid. It describes something that's, well, just average, like that movie was so mid.
Delulu. It's short for delusional. For instance, she's delulu about becoming a pop star.
Ooh, it means a win. Imagine saying, we got tickets, that's a W.
Glow up. A transformation for the better. For example, she had a major glow up over the summer.
GOAT. It stands for greatest of all time. For instance, he's the GOAT at basketball.
Lit. It means awesome or exciting. For example, last night was lit.
Slay. It expresses success or dominance. For example, she slayed that presentation.
Woke. It means being socially and politically aware. For instance, staying woke is important.
CEO. This means mastering something. For example, she's the CEO of making great coffee.
Now you're ready to understand and maybe even use some Gen Z slang. Stay relevant and keep the conversation lit.